Welcome everyone, I'm Johnny Rowe and welcome to Johnny Rowe Cooks. That's me. Today we're having such a fantastic spring day. I've got my colorful elongated onion shirt on. Take a look. Snowstorm. Well, since it's such a shite day here, gives me a good excuse to make one of my favorite top 3 Korean dishes. Today's dish is called Dakbokkeumtang. Dak means chicken in Korean. Bokkeum means stir fry or mix. And tang is soup or stew in this case. This is a Korean kid's pot of love. Well, for me anyways. It was one of my favorites growing up and I'm gonna teach you how to make it. It's a savory, but I don't think for the average spice eater, you're gonna find it spicy at all. If you're a bona fide sandwich eater, then it might be a little spicy for you. Regardless, it's not that spicy. It's just really good. You're gonna enjoy it, so yes. Before we get started here, I'm just gonna show you guys a quick little trick that I do. For safety anyways, I lay a wet cloth down on my surface and then I put my cutting board down. This prevents the board from sliding around, keeps it stable as you're cutting, and hopefully reduces the risk of you cutting yourself. Try it out. So the first thing we're gonna do is start by cutting our carrots. I like my carrots, so I like to put a lot in there, but like this is such an easy dish. You just add whatever and how much you feel like. So if you like your carrots, add your carrots. Add as much as you want. I'm gonna use 3 or 4. Just gonna toss these into the pot here. Next, I'm gonna just put in 3 potatoes. Simply just gonna cut these in half and then put them into the pot. So just halve them. That one's a little bit longer, so I'm gonna cut that in 3. Here we have our onion. 1.5 onion. Cut it like so. Take a look here. So don't have to be too picky with this dish. So it's quick and easy and freaking delicious. Just like the potatoes and the carrots here, I'm just gonna take my onions and throw them into this pot. Mince your garlic. Oh, those onions have me crying. Ooh. This is my onion face. Finally, mince your garlic. I like to buy a big bag full of garlic that's already been peeled just to save me a little bit of work. And then I use the food processor and I process it down to like a puree almost. I put it into a container and then I freeze it. That way your garlic doesn't go bad. The taste is still all there. It's really good. It's super easy to do. And then whenever I need garlic, I just take this out of the freezer, open this up, get what I need, throw it back in the freezer. Bingo bango. Got 1 kilogram of chicken here, and the chicken that I've got consists of the thigh and the drum piece. I recommend using thigh meat, drum meat, or a combination of both. Traditionally, my mother would only use the drum meat, but also a lot of Koreans, they actually buy a whole chicken as well, and they just cut it up into the pieces they like them in and throw them all into the pot. But today we're using thigh and drum. I'm just gonna cut around a little bit and detach the bone from the thigh and the drum. And then cut through, add to the pot. Easy as that. Okay, do it again. Okay, and cut through. Take that excess piece off there. Ooh, I don't know if this pot's gonna be big enough. I hope so. I'm just gonna jam it all in there. Okay, perfect. Now let's add all of our sauces and garlic and such. I got 1 tablespoon of garlic. Next I have just regular old white sugar here. Feel free to use brown sugar or whatever kind of sugar that you might have. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Half a cup of soy sauce. into the mix. There we go. Three heaping tablespoons of red pepper flakes here. All Korean food is red. And our final ingredient here is simply water. I've got 3 cups here. We're just gonna pour this in. All right, this pot is big enough. Very nice. There we go. Lid on, and I'm gonna transfer this over to the stove. Okay, we're gonna put this on high heat and bring it to a boil. You ready for this? Oh yeah. Dakbokkeumtang. Yum 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 yum. All right, let's eat, folks. So delicious. I've half eaten some of this chicken already. This rice with the sauce, you're gonna love this. Just the rice and the sauce alone is so enjoyable. Get some chicken, get your fingers dirty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta eat this. I gotta pick out. So I gotta get off this screen. See you later.